Negative review from a client, especially yung parang personal attack, don't react agad. I'll show you exactly how to handle it step by step.
Hello.
Quick context, I worked with a company for 3 years, like solid performance, no absences. Then, a past client suddenly called me unreliable just because I asked for a break on my birthday and my salary. Here's what most people get wrong. Not all bad reviews are feedback. Some are emotional reaction, especially kapag may conflict like unpaid work, boundaries, or expectation. Here's the exact playbook. Step 1. Don't reply immediately. Give it a few hours, emotion is equal to bad decision. Step 2. Check the facts. Was there a contract? Deliverables? Payment? Always go back to receipt. Step 3. Respond professionally, public or private. Keep it short, factual, and calm. For example, "Hi, I'd like to clarify that services were paused due to pending payment as agreed in our contract. No attack, no defending emotionally." Step 4. Protect your narrative. If the reviews is public, post your side once. You're not there to argue, you're there to clarify. And step 5, decide, repair, or release. If the client is still reasonable, fix it. If not, walk away. Hindi lahat ng client dapat i-kept. And real talk, clients who respect you don't weaponize review. In fact, higher payer clients, mas professional pa yan. Your reputation is built on how you respond, not what they say. Follow for more freelance and agency game. Looking for a seasoned e-commerce marketing specialist, TikTok shop manager, or social media manager to take your brand to the next level? I've got over 6 years of experience working with 5 to 8-figure brand, helping me grow through influencer marketing, TikTok shop management, and viral content creations that convert into real sales. By the way, I also have my own shop, eKorea Shop, where you can find a variety of skincare, cosmetics, and more. You can check out on TikTok Shop, Shopee, Facebook, Instagram, and Lazada. We're also planning to expand in Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy soon. A little about me. I'm a mining engineer turned an e-commerce marketing specialist, a business owner. I've worked with global brands like Lenovo, helping them expand their reach in the USA, UK, and Southeast Asia. Here's a quick look at what I can do best. First is the influencer outreach and partnership. So, I collaborated with influencers, included verified accounts with 1 million plus followers to generate 10K GMV per campaign. Wow. And then I also do TikTok shop management, which is to grow shops to $30K a month in just a week sales and achieve consistent 5 to 8 figures monthly revenues. Wow. I also do social media growth. This is to create a viral content with videos hitting 9 million views and generating over 5K new leads. Wow. I also handle live events hosting, which is run by live selling events that generated over 100 plus orders daily. Wow. And I also do content creation and UGC, which is to do high quality videos, SEO optimized content, and over 1 million video views across platform. Wow! I'm also skilled in Shopify and Amazon integrations, ensuring smooth operations across multiple platforms to help you scale faster. Interested in working with us? Check out the full list of services in the link below. You can also connect me with my Upwork, LinkedIn, and official TikTok page. I love to hear from you and discuss how can we help you solve your challenges and grow your business. Let's get to work and make these big things happen together.